Hello everyone. Before moving on with the tutorials, I want to go back to the settings page we visited in the previous video. I want to point out that the subscription check button is no longer displayed because the subscription is already active. From now on, checks will run automatically, so in most cases you won't see this button anymore.
Next, the error log checkbox. Managed packages are hard to debug. Everyone knows that, but not UndoEngine. If you enable this checkbox and something goes wrong in your organization, a special object with error details will be generated. And if you also enable notifications, you'll get an error message right here as well. Below are the settings for switching some background system processes into asynchronous mode. Even further down, you can adjust the sizes of certain batches. But these settings do not cover all processes. The configuration of other processes is distributed across the UIs from which they are triggered.
These are organization-level settings. There are also user-level settings. If you go to this UI and create your own configuration, it will override the organization-level settings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.